Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at some charging cables. Now I know what you're thinking, what can be so special about a charging cable? Well, the cable that I'm going to show you is a cable with a twist. And when I say with a twist, I mean literally. Now before we get into the unboxing, I want to give you guys a quick demonstration. So I've got two cables here. First off, we have a regular braided cable, nice quality. So, unraveling it, you want to ravel it back up again, what are you going to do? Twist it round like this, as you would, that's what I do. And there you go, that is what you're left with. Looks pretty neat and tidy, but as you can see, it soon falls apart. But we come to the cable with a twist. So, look at that. Nice and straight, like a regular cable, but when it comes to packing it away, a few twists as you would do a regular cable, just like that, and hey presto, that is neat and tidy, because this cable is magnetic. When you want to use it again, there you go, regular cable again. Okie dokie, let's crack on then, and this is the Magtame magnetic charging data cable. And as we can see there, how the cable magnetizes to itself. Going in a bit closer then, and we can see mini size portable, magnetic self-winding, neat and tidy charging. Now these cables are available in different colours, different lengths and different connection types. So flipping the box over, we can see it's available in A to Lightning, A to C, C to Lightning and C to C. It's also available in black, silver and blue, and lengths of 1 metre, 1.5 metres and 2 metres. Right, let's now get one of these out of the box then, and I'm going to demonstrate just how great these cables really are. So in the box, it is just the cable, no extra junky paperwork in there. So as you can see, this cable is not tied up in any way. We've got no clips or anything like that. It's simply held together with that magnetic cable. It just sticks to itself. Now, out of the box, as you can see, it's just been sort of coiled up to be the size of the box. But this is where it's really good. So like I said, we can just unravel that out. And it just looks like a regular cable. A very nice construction as well on that. You know, it's a nice thick design. You can see that that is going to fare well over time. So as I demonstrated at the start, we can just coil that up like a regular cable, like a nice tight loop, like so. And there we go. It just sticks to itself. Look at that. Nice and neat. It's not coming apart. And if we just pull it apart like that though, there we go, we've got a bit of a coil going on because I've just made that. And when we're finished, just pushes back together. There you go, simple as that. Now the other good thing is you don't have to have a tight coil like that. So I'm going to pull it apart again. So as you can see, it's just all like a regular cable really. But say I want a big loop, not a problem. There we go, just let it flop around on itself. Look at that. Nice and neat. So I think that it is a great solution to an issue that I'm sure a lot of us have, where cables often get tangled up and just look unsightly when they're lying around. Now once again, I'm going to pull that apart, and this time I'm going to go in for a really nice tight loop. So again, just winding that round on itself, and there we go. Look at that. Nice and neat. But again, the other handy thing is, I've got another one here. So this one that I've just shown you is a Type C to Type C. This one is Lightning to Type C. Different colours, we've got the black, and that is more of a grey and black one going on there. So again, I'm going to do this one in a nice tight loop. Good thing is when you do a tight loop like this as well, it can sort of spring back on itself. So now that we've got two of them, what you can actually do is stack them. They will actually stick to themselves, which is great. Again, nice and neat. Now something else that I just figured out with these cables is because they are magnetic, they will actually stick to one another. Check that out, that is well handy. So if you've got a couple of these, you can have a nice neat look. So like they pull apart easy enough, but again, they will just snap back together. Could be pretty handy if you've got maybe a computer desk or an arm of a chair, run up a couple of cables. At least it gives it a nice, neat look without having to use like cable ties or anything like that. And of course, we can also still fold them around on each other. He says, just getting them on the desk. It's a bit hard on camera doing this, but you get the idea. Look at that. So 2 cables there, nicely bound together. And again, want to use them, just simply pull them apart like so. Here we go. We've got 2 separate cables again. Now I've just grabbed my Galaxy S23 Ultra and I've connected up one of the cables to a charging brick. So let's just plug it in and make sure it works as it should. There we go, super fast charging. That is what we want to see. Now personally, I think this is a great little product, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Do you think it's a good idea or do you think it's a bit of a gimmick? Now, if you do like what you see and you want to pick up one, like I said, don't forget they come in different lengths, different colours and also different connection types. And if you use my link in the description, you'll be putting a few pence back in my pocket for every sale. And more importantly, if you use my discount code, you'll get yourself a further 10% off at the checkout. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.